skies. The thunderstorm knows how I feel. It's a new raindrop. It's a new call. It's a new life for me. I'm under the porch overhang, or the building overhang. What's that noise? Look at where's all the birds? They're all in the bushes over there. Well, the sky does look like it's clearing out over there. Lonnie just called. He's like, where's the thunderstorm? I don't know, it's up in the sky. Look at those clouds, huh? It's moving pretty good. It's almost like art. What do you see in the clouds? I see like two little faces or something. Yeah, it's clearing out over there. Feels good though. Yeah, shut the windows. Let's take a walk. The wind has calmed down. Grass is super wet. Feels good. And it's been growing like crazy. Look, it needs to be cut again. I think I cut it 3 days ago. Ooh, there's a bird. They got bird seed, or they eat me out of house and home. Look at the son of a bitch, just ate me out of house and home again. Look at that. Train! Oh, shit. We gotta go get some bird seed now. Let's go get some bird seed. I put the carport down. Lonnie says, where's the thunderstorm? Lonnie built the sand pit, fire pit. Sand pit, fire pit. I hella burning some cardboard before. A few days ago. Made a video of it. Oh no, I forgot to put the cover on. Ah, shit. Gotta get some bird seed. I think that's the end of the storm. Wow. Ooh, what's that on my toe? Ew. Get off me. Oh. Gotta get some bird seed. Bird food. They're eating me out of the house at home. They're only gonna get a little bit. There you go. How come they always put these little sticks in there? See them? Look at that. I find this a lot in the bird seed. What's with that? Huh? What's with the little sticks? They want them to clog up my bird feeder, so I have to buy a new bird feeder? Is that the mission? Huh? Almost looks good enough to eat, doesn't it? Huh? I'm getting notification. U.S. National Weather. You're gonna die in about 5 minutes when the thunderstorm comes rolling in and hits you in the middle of the forehead. The lightning bolt. Oh, shit. Terrible way to go. I guess you won't know about it. Just out go the lights. Gotta give them some bird feed. What's with the sticks? I find that a lot. Okay. I still hear thunder. Okay. I think it's about quarter away. Come and get it! Ah! Ah! Where's the... I thought I heard more thunder. Bring it on! I gotta build a couple more birdhouses. Oh, falling apart. Got these benches nobody ever sits at. Just theatrical. People drive by, they go, what a movie theater. It's a movie theater seats. Yeah. Just sit in them.